Everyone, welcome back. Last time we talked about all the things that you could collect and add to your journal. So I hope everyone was able to find something that they could add and refer back to later on, and you remember what those are. So this time we're going to talk about habitats and ecosystems. So what is a habitat? A habitat is a place where an animal lives. This space will provide the animal with food, water, and shelter, and habitats can be different based on where they are located and what animals live there. These can include grasslands, forests, oceans, mountaintops, and deserts. So now obviously not all of us can have the same habitats in our backyards, and we're not going to have all of them unless you're hiding an ocean around the corner. Habitats change based on their location on the earth. So we wouldn't be able to have a tropical habitat right here in Muskingum County because our weather is not suitable for that, and therefore the species living in it would not survive. There are so many things that can affect a habitat, and we're going to talk about a few of those. Now, every single living and non-living organism plays a role in a habitat. So we're going to talk about a food chain. The cycle where one animal eats another is called the food chain, and all the animals on the food chain play an important role in the survivability of the habitat. So the bird eats the worm, the cat eats the bird, the dog eats the cat, and so on and so on. Did you know that even cockroaches play an important role in habitat? They break down and eat dead plants, and then they release those nutrients back into the soil to help the plants grow. Ecosystems are the entire habitat. It includes the biotic factors, which is your living things, and abiotic factors, which is your non-living things. So biotic factors are like your plants and animals, and abiotic examples would be wind, rain, temperature, pollution, and so on. Each one of those plays an important role in an ecosystem, and without either, the ecosystem would crash. So let's see what happens when we remove an abiotic factor. What if it didn't rain for an entire year? What would happen? There would be no fresh water to drink, animals would not survive without water, plants can't grow without water either. The soil would dry up, and the insects and animals living in the soil would also perish. Biotic factors rely on abiotic factors to survive in their habitats. So let's look around our yards and see if we can find a specific ecosystem. This could be in the soil, in a tree, in your garden, or use your imagination and see if you can find a group of insects hidden somewhere. Ecosystems can be very large and include the ocean, or they can be as small as something under a rock. All that matters is that are abiotic and biotic factors, because without each other the habitat would not exist. Don't forget to post your pictures, and I'll see you guys next time.